OnePlus is getting ready to kick off the year in a big way with the launch of the OnePlus Turbo 6 on January 8th, and we already know some key highlights straight from official reveals. The phone is confirmed to pack a massive 9000 mAh battery, which instantly puts it in a different league for endurance, and it does so while keeping a slim camera island that measures just 1.7mm. From a tech enthusiast point of view, this balance between huge battery capacity and refined design is exactly the kind of engineering progress people want to see in modern smartphones. Before we go any further, make sure you subscribe and like the video for more detailed smartphone coverage, upcoming launches, and clear breakdowns like this one. It really helps the channel grow and lets you stay updated with the latest tech news as it happens. Design-wise, OnePlus has already shown off the Turbo 6 in official live images, and the phone looks clean and premium. It will be available in two color options that stand out in different ways. One is called Chasing Light Silver, which has a bright, reflective finish that feels modern and eye-catching, while the other option is Wilderness Green, giving a more understated and rugged look. Both colorways highlight a flat design language that feels practical while still looking stylish in hand. Under the hood, the OnePlus Turbo 6 is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, which suggests strong flagship-level performance. This chip should be paired with a high refresh rate display rumored to reach 165 Hz, making the phone especially appealing for gaming and smooth everyday scrolling. On top of that, the device is expected to carry an IP69 rating, meaning it should offer serious resistance against dust and water, which adds confidence for long-term daily use. When it comes to memory and storage, OnePlus appears to be offering plenty of flexibility with the Turbo 6. Expected configurations include 12GB RAM with 256GB storage, 12GB RAM with 512GB storage, as well as higher-end options like 16GB RAM paired with either 256GB or 512GB of storage. These options clearly show that OnePlus is targeting power users who want fast multitasking, smooth performance, and enough storage for apps, games, and media without compromise. Alongside the Turbo 6, OnePlus is also preparing to launch the OnePlus Turbo 6V in China on January 8, 2026, at 7 p.m. According to Tenor listings and leaked specifications, the Turbo 6V shares an identical design with the Turbo 6, so visually the two phones will look almost the same. The biggest differences come down to internal hardware choices, positioning the 6V as a slightly more accessible alternative. The OnePlus Turbo 6V is said to feature a 6.78-inch OLED display with a 1.5K resolution and a 144 Hz refresh rate. While this is a step down from the rumored 165 Hz panel on the Turbo 6, it is still very smooth and more than enough for gaming and daily use. The phone also keeps the same massive 9000 mAh battery and supports 80W fast charging, which is impressive at this level. Software-wise, it runs Android 16 with ColorOS 16 on top in China. Performance on the Turbo 6V is handled by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 4 chipset, paired with Adreno 810 graphics. RAM options range from 8GB to 12GB, while storage options go from 256GB up to 512GB. Camera hardware includes a 50MP main camera alongside a 2MP secondary sensor, and a 16MP front-facing camera for selfies. Other reported features include an optical in-display fingerprint sensor, IR blaster support, and a glass build with a plastic frame. In terms of physical details, the OnePlus Turbo 6V measures 162.46 by 77.45 by 8.65mm and weighs 215 grams, which is reasonable considering the massive battery inside. Color options for the 6V are listed as Lone Black, Nova White, and Fearless Blue, offering a different palette compared to the Turbo 6. Overall, both phones seem to focus heavily on battery life, high refresh rate displays, and solid performance, with the Turbo 6 aiming higher and the Turbo 6V offering a more balanced approach. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more updates on the OnePlus Turbo 6, Turbo 6V, and other upcoming smartphones, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. It helps the channel a lot and ensures you never miss the latest tech news and detailed comparisons.